Now, this is a message to everyone in the world who's using their mobile phone right now. Right now, there is a family of 4 people out to dinner. And every single one of them are on their cell phones, not interacting with each other, embraced in their own individual world on social media. Right now, there are millions of children that are being raised by iPads, staring at whatever comes up in YouTube's suggested algorithm. And right now, 1/4 of Americans are sucked in to their screens of their smartphones, waiting for the next cortisol boost, that the next text message that somebody might send, or WhatsApp message, or the next Facebook like, or notification, or group post, or Instagram post that somebody's going to put on. Right now, the average American checks their phone 150 times per day. And you wonder if we're addicted? Now, the sad reality is YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram are all defined by the same algorithm, which is built upon showing you exactly what you want and getting your brain to want them more and more and more and more and more. These social media networks, they function in a way that they actually optimize their algorithms based off of billions of data points, billions of humans they use to optimize to get you to use your app more, use your phone more, use YouTube more, use Facebook more, use Instagram more. The only defining thing in their algorithm is to get people to spend more time on their social media, to spend and to come back more often. That's what the algorithms are meant to do. And if you think you're smarter than the algorithm, you're not. They're playing with a full deck of cards. They're playing with a stacked hand. They are the house. They are working off of billions of humans. You are not going to outsmart the algorithms that Facebook has created. You are not going to outsmart the algorithms that YouTube and Instagram have created to suck in your mind and your soul. And right now, that family of 4 who's disconnected, staring at their devices over what used to be quality time, they are the victim. Our children who are being brought up on iPads, having their brains optimized to watch the next video, the next ad, the next whatever, fast cuts, bright screens. These screens are optimized to get us to want to look at them. You hold up a screen next to my face. I have the blue filter on, but if you hold up a screen next to a person's face, your eyes are naturally drawn to the screen rather than the person's face. They've figured us out. They're tricking our brains. And Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube are not letting go of them. It's up to us to define what is fair usage of our time, of our focus, of our eye contact, of our quality space with others. If we continue to allow these devices and these apps to control our lives, if we continue to allow these devices and these apps and these notifications, these likes, etc., to suck our time away from the people that we should really be spending quality time with, which is our family and our friends, then we're missing out on life. What's the point? So if you're with me on this, I'm an entrepreneur, and when I took back control of my time, it not only helped my business, but it helped my family, me spend more time with my kids, and my wife. So I'm asking you, if you're with me in this commitment to turn off notifications and take back control, just type in below in the comments, #TakeBackControl. I've been able to change my life better in many ways by taking back control of my time. I don't react to others now. I don't react to my phone. My phone reacts to me. My phone serves me. And I invite you to not let the tech companies control your life, control your time in their subversive, manipulative ways. And type in, if you're with me, I encourage you to share this video with others and type in the comments, #TakeBackControl. So hopefully this message resonates with some of you that are watching, because this has been a really important part of my life, and it's a message that's something I don't normally talk about, but it's helped me enormously in just my transformation into a better man. Thank you for watching this. Hopefully this resonates with you, and I look forward to seeing others take this commitment with me to turning off notifications. #TakeBackControl. Thank you.